Today we're going to do a video of our nature notebooks. This is part of nature study, and this is my son's nature notebook. We also do our drawing lessons in here. So this is his first grade lessons. There he is over there. So I'm just going to give a quick showcase of what we did. I think these pages might be stuck together. Ah! Well, those ones are stuck together. Sometimes I did the writing, sometimes he did the writing.
Who's that made by?
Looks like a birdie. It was you drew it. I put the date. You missed a page. Did you just pick random pages?
Yeah.
Ah! Got some pages that he missed in here.
Can I get it back up now?
Let me finish my video.
What is that?
It says water lily. I guess it was you trying to draw a water lily. There's a fishy. I like your nature notebook. It looks like it's pretty full. Should we get another one for second grade?
Yeah.
What happened here?
Oh no! What happened there?
Can you help me? Pull.
You pull on the other page.
Chickweed. Here, let's...
It looks dead.
Yeah, it'll be dried in there forever. Alright, turn the page. What is this supposed to be?
I don't know.
Oh.
Castle.
Upside down castle, and there's a tree, dogwood tree. I forgot what way I'm going. Okay. A lighthouse. Gotta make sure your book is the same way, I guess. A doll and a rubbing of a leaf. We didn't write down what leaf that was. A butterfly. Please stop making that noise.
A house.
A house. A chicken. You've still got plenty of
Yeah, I know.
blank pages in here.
A star.
A rubbing of a leaf.
A
A rubbing of a leaf. A rubbing. That didn't work very well. Is that their tent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A rubbing of a leaf.
There you go.
That was my notebook.